embarks on a 8-day tour to Myanmar to share joy with Manipuri diaspora. Two minor boys nabbed over smuggling of narcotics on Imphal-More Road. And Tripura's 4,400 Bru refugees to be repatriated in October. Good afternoon, this is Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and you're watching the news at 1 p.m. Titular King of Manipur, Leshemba Sanajaba today flagged off Thawan Awa Khungchat Lepunwari, a tour team from Kangla Gate, Imphal this morning. The Mami Thawan team, comprising of 54 members, is embarked on an 8-day visit to Myanmar to share joy with Manipuri diaspora in the neighboring country. The team will organize interaction and cultural programs and 2 football matches during the visit. Leshemba Sanajaba extended his best wishes to the team and stated that such initiative by Mami Thawan will strengthen relationship between the two countries.
Manipur gi masak nairaba adugumba artist mayam tongan ba film da aduga isai nongmai da aduga atai hiram kaya da khoi gi saknairaba mayam amana pik thalaba adugumba team mamakak ekoi ngasi Myanmar gi damakta ekoi lamtha jabani aduna chaliba ekoi gi team masi khongchada si yamna ekoi gi good mission haiba tare ekoi gi haugraba ekoi gi hana leiba ani gi marakta leidarakpa adu hauji somu ekoi gi ek is policy na singba lakpa sida kharaga hena hana gi mari du gi hena chesanba nungsina ba urangnaba adugumba khongchadamani adugumba pham aduda su ekona tongan ba ekoi activities mayam ama sana khonabagi adu interaction tawbagi cultural program mayam utbagi aduga makhoi rongi leiramba ekoi tongan ba makhoi culture gi ba sana khonabagi ba pot mayam ama su ekona yengba phangada ba uba phangada ba ekoi su utkada ba aduna sigumba ekoi khongchada si yamna nungai ba tek ta kaida ba khongchat ama oibira o haidana ai makai dagisu lai khurumjari
ngasi akhoi senglaba kanglagi khoigi gate stegi ko platform sidagi koina ngasi lamthaga doriba khongchat asi Mami Thawan gi awa khongchat Lipunwari haina kawi masigi maruiba khongchat sigi pandamdi akhoi Manipur gi nungsiba khoigi paujel ama puraga Myanmar da tariba chilnau sing punamak haitare Manipuri diaspora punang pu khoi unaduna akhoina ngamjaba khudol pot kha piramba amasung awanungai wari sarubai khongsadamane masi khoigi numit nipani supna khoigi changadaba khongsadamani ado khongsad sideda khoigi Mami Thawan gi member sigi marakta khoigi tongan ba punsigi sinpham mayamdagi lakpa maroina film sports aduga business aduga technology gi kogi technical kanom digi lakpa mayam punchalaga kogi sasaga doba journey ni masi kogi journey sigi manungda kogi nungsi sanaba amasung yamna naknaba ma puraknaba gi apandam da su kogi football match ani imsu sanajagani kogi Mandala 3 stadium da Mandale da koi ball amu sanajagani aduga yumda halakpagi lambi da su monewada kogi sagayangi chief minister na host obiduna Sagang Chief Minister 11 ga koi bol sanajagani khongchada sida akoi gi Manipur gi yamna saknairaba film gi thomi mayam su yauri aduga tongan ba lamdagi sports person amasung Manipur gi folk singer mayam su yauri masi dum yamna akoina yamna maru oina logjaba Mami Thawan gi ahanba international akoi gi journey mani sanagadurba match ani si amana art and drama koigi art and drama gi artist mayam koigi mandle gi si artist mayam ga koigi Mami Thawan gi members mayam ga sanagadabani aduga ani suba match sina koigi sagayang gi chief minister 11 ga koigi Mami Thawan gi 11 ga sanagadabani damena nungai di koigi match amada koigi international awardee ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯁꯥꯡꯊꯦꯝ ꯇꯣꯟꯊꯣꯏꯉꯥꯝꯕꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯞꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯦꯠꯆꯇꯨꯒꯤꯗꯤꯀꯣ.
It appears that drug smugglers are using minors to transport illegal narcotics from Myanmar. A team of 12 Assam Rifles and More Commando under the supervision of Sub-Inspector S. Lolindro apprehended 2 minor boys along with illegal drugs at Khudengthabi checkpost on Imphal More Road yesterday around 3:20 p.m. a report said today. The boys are residents of Chawangphai village, More Ward number 7A. Total of 16,441 pieces of WY tablets were seized from their possession, which was being carried in a Canbo bike from Myanmar. They've been handed over to More police station for further legal action, the report added. A total of 4,400 Bru refugees taking shelter in 6 camps of Kanchanpur of North Tripura are likely to be repatriated in the month of October. This was informed on Sunday by an official of the Home Department of Mizoram on condition of anonymity. The official informed the 9th and the final phase of repatriation of over 26,100 refugees lodged at 6 relief camps in North Tripura district shall commence from October 1st next. The decision in this regard was taken at a joint monitoring group meeting on Bru repatriation held at New Delhi on September 6 last, the official said. The meeting, which was chaired by Special Secretary in Internal Security, Minister of Home Affairs A.P. Maheshwari, also approved in principle to release a sum of rupees 350 crore for the final phase of Bru repatriation from 6 relief camps in Tripura, the official said. We'll head towards a short break, but stay tuned. Hope floats as Orbiter spots Vikram.
Manipuri ahanba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahanba oina miyam gidamakta monsoon offer ama pijari. Pijari bo offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamarol gidamak contact tobiyu Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959 natraga 8794613154. Manipur da ihan hanbo oina Lamjingba Jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom-adom ki leijariba sanada yauriba alloy amadi elements kayagi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loinana khanghanba ngamlagani. Lamjingba Jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobihau adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba adu kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gidamak Lamjingba Jewelry da lengsinbirau.
Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. In its journey to find out what went wrong with the Vikram lander at an altitude of 2.1 kilometers from the lunar surface, ISRO has been able to find the location of the Vikram lander. This they accomplished with the help of the orbiter. They used one of its payload to click a thermal image of the lander on the surface of the moon. Preparations are going on for construction of a retaining wall at Thaudempukri Pond of Haraurau Part 1, Maning Lekai. The step has been taken under the aegis of Pradhan Laishangthem Kulachandra.
Hi, Akoi Yuna Yankai Muglaiba, Sigi Puki, Akoi Harau Tankam, Ram Savagi Padan, Mimuna Panzerabada, Laishangthem Kulachandra. Sumaito Gunawari, Basi, Sange, Hagaki, Honage, Tanagi, Haibadagi, Aikoina, Loina Loina, Hauji. Akoina masida ising singdana dagi fijik sanba haudana khotana khoi nunglai ngoi thadadana tawriba si MG Narega gi MC adugumlaba lakadu fan mayam sina tawbuni haina padana aikoi pukhi committee hairiba khoi laikai jigi mi yumthong yankhai nu sariba asida lambi tarakpa pukhi si yorokpa akoi gi makha laikai harau makha laikai hana thaudem pukhi su hainai hairiba mafam si masida usar kaya amazu thagane haina mana ningsingdi akoida takpiri masizu akoi ukhi sanbagi nungai jabagi maraksida amusu kaya ama thagani haibaje masiju padambu amukai hanaju aina padambu haininga yekna thagasari.
Children's Club Lithing Leshafan Lithing set up by the People's Resource Development Association Bishnupur in collaboration with Thanga Part 2 Gram Panchayat Ward Number 1 of Lithing Lekai members have jointly conducted a cleanliness drive today at Lithing Bishnupur district. Field Assistant of PRDA Bishnupur Action Aid LRP project O Raju, President of Leshanfan Lithing KH Surmala and Ward Member M Kunja Bihari were present during the program. O Raju said the cleanliness program was organized to spread awareness, especially to the younger generation, on how plastic and its waste can harm the environment that cause various health hazards. KH Surmala and Ward Member M. Bir Chandra assured that Lithing residents that PRDA Bishnupur will extend assistance for every welfare development taken up in the area. They also thanked PRDA Bishnupur for setting up the Children Club. Moirang Kendra Progressive Front organized the pre-quarterly progress review for self-help groups of Phubala Gram Panchayat at Phubala Loktak Maru. Addressing the gathering, social worker Thongam Shanti Singh said that disappointment and frustration are the main factors among youngsters which encourage them in turning to drug abuse. The review meeting reviewed the benefits and development of the households of Moirang constituency under Moirang Progressive Front. Shanti further said that youngsters often turn to drug use as they feel their future is dim due to lack of sound economic conditions of the families. He added that in order to keep such incidents at bay, the front has taken up steps to increase the income of women of the constituency by forming self-help groups after collaborating with the banks. Shanti appealed to the women folk to work hard for more products and to repay bank loans on time. The self-help group also presented the main guest at the meeting with shawls as a token of appreciation while lauding the efforts of TH Shanti Singh. Besides, Thongam Shanti Singh, Chief Advisor of the Front, retired Professor Y. Modhu, Vice President of Phubala Unit of the Front, O. Bir Chandra, attended the meeting.
Nimba tumda san boy libra. Ane mama pada bakoy da tai do da namda badagi noi na ido da siku basimi bangamde ai do di sansar chi dungai bo da salage haina pato da mi dom da sangi braga she akoy khandagi matam kam yok sila matam mama da British ta China se within you one khulaina maje loksin man namaloina aduna akoy opium war to da China gi mi singje ni pa no pise oi massage solar laga last khulai tha da da lan to da China se loksin gi do mai na Chinese bi amse oi ni pa no pise opium war to pang da laga massage oi na son da da almai to da ila British ta China joy to wi do mai na akoy gi ngasi gi Manipur khunai chi su kana makhari thawin sidagi suma guli me amsina mahal lakada aikoi samal se aikoi puru maitai ro puru che maitai ro jati che loishin gi gedra hegi singnadar sumandar matam do.
Time for another break, but coming up, Amit Shah says BJP is committed to developing the Northeast region.
AIYF Manipur State Council na sinjaduna
lamyanba luching purel hijam irawat the tribute tawjaba
kunmari rak suba state level jananeta hijam irawat saithai se changdamnaba pangthok jaragan category ani thokna khaidok jai junior amasung senior category
form thajan bagi aroiba numitna
18 September 2019 date of competition 22nd September 2019 mafamna JN Manipur Dance Academy Imphal
competition asigi form pampamna
AIYF office irawat Bhavan Group Mahalteng Imphal
Manipuri gi sejak pisingna form homtang lobiduna
asida upcoming singer singna saruk yabiu
aduga masigi competition asi khalaliba sejak pising idi amna soba platform mo idini
Manipur gi nongle inkhalak libi singna saruk yabiu
kunmari rak suba state level jananeta hijam irawat saithai se changdamna
Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Sandhya Chongrang giving you news in
Hanana fanglamba kangla food ki product singi mathakta anuba product sing haibadi milky balls asomya mixture amadi alu bhujia na chingba sing asi hauzik iramdam gi kaithel da fangle kangla gi anawa product sing asi mayam su amungtang mahau yingbi
Kangla.
Welcome back. Union Home Minister Amit Shah visited Guwahati city of Assam on Sunday to take part in a convention of the North-Eastern Council in Guwahati city of Assam. All the 8 chief ministers from the northeastern states were also present. Blowing the bugle of development, Amit Shah said that the BJP is committed to developing the region, but added that the development must not come at a cost to the indigenous people of the region. Shah believes that the development of the bamboo industry is the key to unlocking the potential in the northeastern states. The Union Minister also assured that the Narendra Modi-led NDA government is committed to developing the bamboo sector in the northeast. Shah also added that the government will allocate 30% of its funds to the rural sectors in a bid to boost productivity. The Gandhinagar MP Shah also affirmed that the northeast has progressed by leaps and bounds in the past 5 years after the Bharatiya Janata Party assumed leadership at the centre. The Armed Forces Special Powers Act (AFSPA) has been extended for a further 6 months in Assam, effective from August 28, the government said in a statement on Saturday. This was implemented after reviewing the law and order situation in the state. The act empowers security forces to conduct operations, arrest anyone, anywhere without prior notice. The declaration was made under Section 3 of the AFSPA by the State Home and Political Department, the release said. Consequent upon review of law and order situation in Assam in the past 6 months, the state government wired a notification issue to this effect by the Home and Potential Department, Assam, and as per Section 3 of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958, has declared the entire state of Assam as disturbed area, WEF 28/8 2019 up to 6 months unless withdrawn earlier. It is added. It may be mentioned here that the act was imposed in Assam in 1990. The State Bank of India on Monday announced that it has reduced marginal cost of lending rate and interest across all tenors. SBI in a release said that it will reduce interest rates by 10 basis points from tomorrow. This is the rate reduction in the current fiscal year by the public sector lender. 1-year MCLR has been reduced to 8.15% from 8.25 now. The MCLR is linked to the retail lending rates. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the annual high-level UN General Assembly session on September 27 and will have a packed agenda of bilateral and multilateral engagements during his nearly week-long stay in New York. According to reports, an update list of speakers for the general debate of the 74th session of the UN General Assembly, PM Modi will address the high-level session on the morning of September 27. As Prime Minister, Modi had given his maiden address to world leaders at the UN General Assembly in 2004. His visit in September and address to world leaders at the UN will be the first after winning a second term as Prime Minister in resounding electoral victory in May. Now the top stories once again.
The Sangha Express sent not to touch Article 371, no illegal immigrant to be allowed, says Saha. Chief Minister appeals for assistance. Scheduled tribe demand for Meiteis need deep study first, says Aquam Loop. Chingmeirong women folk protest instead of shabby road, PPCM pledges. The People's Chronicle. Government will not touch Article 371, allow illegal immigrants, says Saha. Youth facing trial shot dead, grenade found. Swiss bank data enough to identify hidden wealth. Pripak denies link with women health. Corcom stats stand on removal of special status from Kashmir. Imphal Free Press. Development, trust and big changes. Prime Minister Modi on first 100 days of NDA government. Can road repair work done 19 months ago be assessed now? Ask skeptics in EE arrest case. No more restriction on entering Kaina Shrine, says committee. Civil body alleges MLA of misleading public. Baseless charge, says another. Welfare Association for Blind seeks government attention.
Now, before we wrap up the top stories once again. Manipur team embarks on 8-day tour to Myanmar to share joy with Manipuri diaspora. Two minor boys nabbed over smuggling of narcotics on Imphal More Road. And Tripura's 4,400 Bru refugees to be repatriated in October. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.